Hi, and welcome to our data science tutorial series. In this video, we will dive into the basics of working with DataFrame in Pandas. DataFrames are a powerful data structure in Pandas that allow us to manipulate and analyze the tabular data efficiently. In this tutorial, we will cover the fundamental concepts of DataFrames and demonstrate how to perform various operations. So let's get started. To begin, we need to import the Pandas library. So to do that, you need to create a new notebook and then start typing your code. So to import a pandas, we need to write the import pandas as pd. Here, this line of code imports the pandas library and assigns it the alias pd, which makes it easier to reference in our code. So now we will create our first data frame. Data frames can be created using various data sources such as dictionaries, CSV files, or spreadsheets, or any type of tabular data, or even existing arrays. So here is an example of creating a data frame from a dictionary. In this example, we have a dictionary containing name, age, and city. We pass this dictionary to the data frame constructor here pd.dataframe, which automatically converts this dictionary into tabular structure with labeled columns. Now that we have our uh, first data frame, we can just print the head of the data frame by using df.head. It will print first 5 rows of the data frame. Here, as we see here that our data frame has only 4 rows, so it had just print 4 rows. Otherwise, if you want to print only one first row, then we can pass the number of rows we want to print. And and to access a specific column, we can use square brackets with column name uh, like here. This prints the only age column from the data frame. And to access a specific row, we use lock loc or iloc. Iloc attributes. Loc is used with labels, while iloc is used with integer based indexing. To print third row, we can use row equal to df.log2 and then print the row. Here we can see that it has printed the third row, that is Michael and 32 and Paris. As we can see that third row is here. This we can also perform filtering based on conditions. For example, to filter rows where the age is greater than 30, then we can s- save that filtered data into another data frame, that is filtered underscore df, and then print the filtered df. So we can see here that age greater than all the rows that which have age greater than 30 can be are stored in this filter data frame. To get the maximum value in the column, in some column, for example, we have here numerical value in the age column. So we will print the maximum of the age column. So we can do it like a df and then square bracket and then dot max. We can see that max value is here, and we can also print same minimum value in that column by using just a df bracket and a column name and then min. We can see here that 25 is the minimum is that we can check it here. And like to get the descriptive statistics from the data frame, we can use the describe function simply. Like df.describe prints the like age, a count, number of counts, the count of the rows and mean of the that column, or a standard deviation, and minimum or 25 25 percentile, 50 percentile, and 75 percentile, and maximum value that is available in that column. To get an overview of data frame structure and column data types, we can use the df df.info function. So we can just print it like this, and we can see here that it has printed the class of the df, and then like a index range index, like how many values are there, like four entries are there, so 0 to 3 is the index, and how many columns are there, like data columns, like total 3 columns, uh, and like data types of all those columns are printed, like a name is our object, that is like a string type of data frame column, and age is numerical, so it is in integer form, and city, that is like a categorical variable or something like a string. And similarly we can if we want to print only data types of the data type of the several columns, so we can just print it using d types. And we will see that name has object type of data, like a column, and age has integer, and city is object. And if you want to like print the data type of a particular column, like we want to print the data type of name, then we can just use d type, then it will print the like d type means o means object. And here we have seen that to print the minimum of the like some column, then we can we can use df dot minimum. And if you want to like use df want to find out the mean of that column, then we can use df and then a square bracket age dot mean, that prints uh, like a mean value of that column. And if you want to check null values in that data frame, like and then like we can use is null function followed by sum, that prints like how many null values each column has in that data frame. So it prints like name has zero null values, and age has zero null values. And if you want to like we can do it similarly using this like na values, like is na dot sum, we can print the same thing as this. And if you want to like uh, we can also perform grouping and aggregating operations on the data frame. For example, to group the data by city, and like and calculate the average age within each group, we can use like df dot group by city, and then calculate the average average age by city. Then we can just like a group by city, and then calculate the average of age. We can just print it like that. So like we can see that London has average age group 28, and New York has 25. Since we don't have that much data in our data frame, so it has just printed like that, similar. So these are just a few examples of many operations you can perform with the data frame in Pandas. Data frames provide a wide range of functionality for data manipulation, filtering, and merging. So if you have enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the Python and data science, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching.